In this video, I will show you how to create a Steam account on your PC. First things first, before creating an account, you need to download and install Steam on your desktop or laptop. If you haven't done this yet or are unsure how, check out the link in the description for a step-by-step guide. Once installed, open up Steam. You should see the sign-in page pop up. At this point, look for the option that says Create a Free Account located at the bottom right corner of the window. Click on it. Now it's time to fill out some important information. In the first text field, enter your email address, the one you want linked to your new Steam account. In the second text field, re-enter that same email address for confirmation. Next, select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. To ensure security, check the box that says I'm human. Follow any prompts that appear to complete this verification step. Next up is age verification. Make sure to put a checkmark next to I am 13 years of age or older and agree to both the Steam subscriber agreement and Valve privacy policy. Click Continue. After clicking Continue, keep an eye on your inbox because Steam will send you an email for verification. Find that email from Steam and click on it. Then hit Verify my email address. This step is crucial as it confirms your identity. Now return back to Steam. You'll be prompted again, this time you'll need to enter your desired account name in the first text field. In the second text field, type in a secure password for your account, make sure it's something memorable but hard for others to guess. Then re-enter that password in the third text field for confirmation. Once all fields are filled correctly, click Done. A pop-up should appear saying New account created successfully. Just hit Continue. Congratulations, you now have a new Steam account. To log in, simply enter your newly created account name in the first text field. Next, type in your password associated with this account. And that's it, you've officially created your own Steam account and can start downloading and playing all those amazing games. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.